this is that's the deal here. We got the snow drift, snow plow. Not much is gonna happen today. I'm just gonna try to dig myself out and wait.
What's going on, Mutha Truckers? Welcome to Mutha Trucker News. Getting a lot of people emailing me at muthatruckernews@gmail.com in Wyoming, at the Rawlins area and in Elk Mountain. So, there's a lot of closures going on, and people have been sending me videos, and I just want to show you guys these emails. And let's get into this right here. Here's some information I want to show you. Right here, you can see this is from Demetrius. And let's see what he has to say. But
this is a snow drift. What it takes to get us out.
Mutha Truckers, has anyone else been stuck out here? They say there are over hundreds of truck drivers that are stuck because of the weather condition. Now, let me show you some of the emails that I'm getting. Right here says Elk Mountain Road hazardous right now. Sent to me yesterday, showing video views of what that looks like from his dash cam. Been shut down in Sinclair since Saturday night. Chance for wind to let up around 8 a.m., but impending snowstorm moving tomorrow afternoon. So, yeah, Mutha Truckers, just be careful if you're on the I-80 out there. Let's check out the 511 to give you guys some information on that so that you guys can see that as well. All you Mutha Truckers, when you're out and about, man, use 511. They're going to have the most updated information for you. And so we can see right here what's going on. Let's read first what they're saying. This is out in Sinclair area. This I-80 steel rest area closed between Rawlins and Walcott Junction, milepost 228. Road closed due to winter conditions and crashes as of February 20th, 4 p.m. The estimated opening time is 5 to 7 hours. Parking on the roadway is prohibited and delays opening the road. So this is very current right here. Let's look at the cams to see what they got going on. As you can see, they have trucks just parked on the side of the road. All the rest areas are, yeah, look at that. Just all closed, all busy. So that's the Sinclair area right there. People are just stuck at the truck stop. And so Mutha Truckers, just give you guys that information. Elk Mountain road closed due to conditions and crashes. Yeah, so if you guys are in Elk Mountain, Rawlins area, yeah, you're going to be stuck. So Mutha Truckers, just make sure that you're good to go. Definitely always look on 511 for your information. But the reason why we do these videos is just to help you truck drivers out. All the Mutha Truckers out there that are new to the winter season, definitely you need to have at least a week worth of food in your truck. Things like this can happen anytime. So sometimes you can't trip plan fast enough for it. Mutha Truckers, comment down below. What's your best advice for a driver that's stuck in the snow, because it could get bad? Good luck to all the drivers out there. Wishing you the best as always, and we'll update you tomorrow on the weather conditions. But as of now, because of road closures and crashes and winter conditions and just wind and just bad weather, yep, roads are closed on the I-80. So, Mutha Truckers, comment down below.